What if I told you the interiors of this car were made from oranges? All of this from this.
Now imagine leather that doesn't come from skin, but from Sicilian orange peels and cactus waste. No cruelty, no poison, just food waste turned into something beautiful. I went to Milan to see it for myself. This is Ohoskin.
I'm in the cutest little orange car, and if you're wondering what I'm doing here, this is Stefano, and he's gonna tell me what we're here for.
Yes, we create all the interior of this microcar, that is Microlino, in Ohoskin material. So all of this that seems leather but is not leather, is an alternative material to come from oranges, is this that is Salina and Salina Rio. So all the interior is a sustainable material.
So many people, tell me, oh, but what about your car seat? Is your car seat vegan, or is it made out of leather? And most cars are made out of leather. So it feels so good sitting in a car that's fully aligned with my values. And I can just probably be like, yeah, the whole thing is vegan.
There is a lot of interest from the automotive sector to this, to the Ohoskin material, due to the fact it is also very reduce the carbon footprint of our material instead of animal leather. Yeah. Consider that 1 square meter of Ohoskin material emits only 2.57 kilograms instead of more than 100 the animal leather. So there is a huge difference. So also for this reason, also the automotive OEM, it's very interested to this material. So other collaboration will come in the next months. Absolutely.
I want to understand the process, and I see that you've demonstrated it again like a science experiment. So this is like...
Yes, we create this kind of stand that we say product and process kit, where we explain how is the process and how we obtain our material. So we start from the orange peels that is going to dry it, as you can see from this one. Then we're gonna micronize it, following all the parameters that we have patented in terms of granulometry, in terms of percentage of humidity, in terms of percentage of pectin, lignits.
It smells like cinnamon and sugar.
Yeah.
Is that It's a tart. Like, how are you telling me not to eat this? Wow. So this is pulverized, like it's pretty much like powdered.
Exactly.
Where's the cinnamon coming from?
Then we're gonna mix with the resin, so sustainable resin that can be bioattributed or bio-based, together with this natural biopolymer.
Can mix together.
We mix together. This liquid compound can be put in a different layer on a textile baking, to create the final material. That is...
Which is this?
This one, or this one.
That's amazing. The whole cooking process with the chef. Final product. We usually eat this, but we have a whole range of products here that are made from oranges.
Yes.
What is the story?
Yeah, the story is that, of course, we eat this. But after that, all the peels is a kind of byproducts. And how we can reuse this kind of byproducts to create something high quality material, let me say. And that's it why with Adriana, that's come from Sicily, my business partner, we think about the main byproducts of the Sicilian agriculture, that is citrus peel in general, so not only oranges, but also lemon and all the citrus, let me say, and a specific families of cactus that is Ficodindia. That is very common in Sicily.
And that gets thrown away.
Yeah. The problem is that is the main byproduct of the Sicilian agriculture. In this case, in case of oranges, we have a very strong partnership with an oranges producer, and we collect all the peels from this raw material partner.
Because I think people just think that because it's animal leather, it's just natural and it's biodegradable, but even animal leather is coated with a lot of dangerous materials, paints, and it also has plastic to process it and to make it shinier. Does it not have plastic as well?
Yeah. The problem also with the animal leather is that not in every case animal leather, the animal is used only for the meat. So in some cases, it is not true that the animal leather is it's sustainable, because is for animal that is specific in a specific environment that is, for example,
it's bred for just that.
Yes.
Like people tell me that it's a byproduct of the meat industry, but it's really not, because I know the crocodile farms across different parts of the world, Australia, that a lot of big brands own. And as you said, the crocodiles that are being bred just for this, and they're killed very young. They're a few months old, or 1 or 2 years old, because the younger they are, the softer their skin is. So there's a lot of cruelty in the animal leather industry that not a lot of people talk about as well. The biggest criticism that I get for plant-based leather is that it's not as durable. It doesn't last as long as the animal-based leather. It falls apart, or the belt tears off, or you have to replace it. That it's not that plant-based leather is not as long-lasting as animal-based leather. What do you have to say about that?
Well, depends. Is has a different characteristic. Let me say. In some cases, it's also better than animal leather. For example, in the humidity environments. So in this case, is completely waterproof. So has no problem also to put outside. In the outside environment, that something cannot be done with animal leather. For example, if you have a bag in animal leather and you use outside when it's raining,
it's gonna get destroyed.
Yeah, and that's not the case.
So you're saying this is as durable? Like 5 years later, is it gonna look the same?
Well, consider that nowadays we are selling our material since 2022. And there is no one complaint on the market. We have a lot of agents for the sales network that we have in Italy. And in some cases, the agent, before signed the contract with us, said, okay, I want to try it. So I'm going to buy something made in Ohoskin material. And if it's durable, if I really like it, I will sign the contract. And there is some cases that, well, there is, we have the contract signed and we have a great collaboration with this sales agent. So it's really important.
That's incredible.
Where the name come from, Ohoskin. Ohoskin is O-H-O. That is, the two O is orange and opuntia.
What is opuntia?
Opuntia is this families of cactus that is Paradificodindia.
Okay.
That is the two main byproducts of Sicily, and the H is something chemical that put it together, while skin is something that can protect our object, our material, and at the same time protect also the animal, because it's absolutely cruelty-free.
So we're gonna start with one of the coolest things I've seen here. Look at this.
Yeah,
There's a whole bag.
That is a great collaboration made with Mio Mojo. That is a corporation. He want and ask our material to create this kind of a series of handbags that it's very particular, let me say. That's also demonstrate that our material can have in embossing or embossing the logo, not only a sentence, but also the logo of some bags.
Beautiful. I like that it says this product is made from an innovative animal-free material. Good for you, good for our planet.
Yes.
I want to talk about the croc leather patch we have here.
Croc leather is something that we create because someone say, okay, how is possible to recreate the same exotic texture, and that is made after the creation of the material, and we are able, based on metallic cylinders that on high temperature can impress this kind of texture, and we can replicate like a lot of possibility different texture.
So this is embossed.
Yes.
the machines that...
Well, it's a roll. It's a metallic roll that you put, and with a high temperature, the material put in between these kind of metallic cylinders obtain and can receive this kind of texture. Yeah.
Why do we kill baby crocodiles?
And we do not have to.
I don't get it. If you can have this, why do you kill baby crocodiles?
That too, absolutely.
Makes no sense. That's so pretty.
Yeah.
It's matching yours now. It's okay. It's also coming home with me. You're like, she's going to take everything that's on the table later. I'm just reducing your weight in your suitcase. That's beautiful. And even the double coloring, right?
Yes,
That's
you
so nice.
can move. You can move this one and use it from the other sides. Also, this one on the other side is brown.
Love it.
Yes.
Also sustainable.
Yes.
Thank you so much for that. Now that I've decided to steal the purse, the belt, and everything else, I'm going to take the car as well.
If you're the case.
Thank you. See you.
Bye. Enjoy.
Ciao. Wait, how do I drive this again? What is this? Oh. Guys, it's the wrong side. What if we do this? It's not the right side.
Handbrake.
Huh? The brake is off.
The brake is off. Handbrake.
Oh shit, oh shit. What is the plan here though?